Kalau dulu aku datang ke Bali, the first time I met you, you said that you only have one person helping you at that time, which your assistant. How many people in your team right now? You said 6, right?
Iya.
Dan sekarang ini baru bikin kemarin workout with Mama Jen. Yang datang berapa orang?
300.
300 orang, dude.
You know, a lot of brands are reaching out to me. I thought, ya sayang banget, all the brands come to me, but I cannot work with them.
What have you been doing along the way, right until all the brand finally wanna come to you and you attract many brands? Apa rahasianya? Sekarang kalau dulu kan orang melihatnya Jen adalah istrinya Irfan Bahdim. How does it all these things? Is it affecting to the marriage?
So I was the one, you know, financially
The breadwinner.
supporting.
Yeah. The sex still good?
So good.
Drama lagi. Karena yang pertama kali aku podcast sama Jen, such a drama. Let's spill it ya.
Yeah,
Jadi aku tuh udah hunting Jennifer Bahdim kan untuk datang. She came to my hotel. Guys, gue yang perlu dia datang ke hotel gue. And then udah datang naik scooter ya.
Naik scooter.
You're riding scooter
Iya.
with shorts, celana pendek, sama asistennya satu orang. She came punctual.
And I only had
on
1
time.
hour actually, right?
Yes, cuma 1 jam karena dia lagi nyusuin. Nyusuin
Baby Kiro.
anaknya kan, bukan bapaknya kan.
Bukan.
Gue akan berikan influence jokes anak-anak Jakarta pada dia.
Aduh,
Dia terlalu
aduh.
positif ini. Terus and then you know what happened? Ternyata one of my crew udah panjang lebar, baterainya habis dan kita nggak bisa podcast.
Iya, Mike.
Dude, gila gak lo? Gue udah di Bali sama dia, tapi aku pengen ngucapin terima kasih. I just want to say thank you to you. Dia kasih waktu lagi, dia bilang, okay, let me just go back ya to my place. Nanti jam 3-an, aku pikir kan, you know, just another promise that a person wouldn't keep gitu.
No.
I came to your place and finally we did it. Dan it went viral in a good way.
Yes.
So how are you right now?
I'm good. Thank you.
Ini banyak yang pasti langsung bilang, Mama Jen sebetulnya lancar bahasa Indonesia atau enggak? Sedikit.
Belum lancar.
Padahal kamu tuh sudah, the first time I met you, it was a long time ago.
Udah lama banget. Tapi susah banget buat aku rolling the R.
Oh.
Yang aku bisa tapi apa kabar, sabar.
Itu nggak bisa.
Nggak bisa.
Ular lari lurus-lurus di atas pagar.
Pasti nggak bisa. Ular lari apa?
Lurus.
Lurus.
Oke, tapi kenapa aku pengen ngundang Jen lagi for the second times on my podcast? Karena I've been seeing the big progress of Mama Jen. Ya, as a friend, I'm so proud of you. Dan anytime Jen ke Jakarta atau aku ke Bali, kita selalu chat. The last time we met,
Yeah.
Luna ya?
Yeah, Luna.
Iya. Jen, so what happened? What is the recipe? Kalau dulu aku datang ke Bali, the first time I met you, Jen suka olahraga. But at that time, mungkin brutally-nya ngomongnya adalah you weren't as big as now.
Yeah.
I think it was not even 2 years ago.
2 years, yeah.
Maybe not even
years,
ya.
yeah, not even.
Dan sekarang ini baru bikin kemarin workout with Mama Jen. Ini keberapa kalinya?
Di Jakarta pertama kali.
Yang datang berapa orang?
300.
300 orang, dude. Wow, workout with Mama Jen. Bali berapa kali?
Di Bali 3 kali.
3 kali. Oke.
Tapi lebih kecil.
Lebih kecil. Oke, everything started with yourself, your daily activity.
Yes.
Right?
Daily activities, yeah.
So apa yang bikin sekarang brand Jennifer Bahdim bisa sebesar ini, terutama dalam dunia olahraga dan sebagai seorang ibu dan istri?
I think most important for me, I think I have a very loyal, very sweet follower crowd. It's almost like an online family.
Yeah.
And I think what they respect from me is that I stay very honest, very real. I just share how my day looks.
Yeah.
And I don't like to fake anything. I don't like to work with brands I don't like or I wouldn't, you use in my daily life.
Yeah.
So I think what is the key for my success, I think it's just that I'm being real.
Being real.
Showing the truth, how my life
Yeah,
is.
yeah.
But then also educating everyone how I parent.
Yeah, yeah.
Doesn't mean that is perfect,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
I don't think there's anyone perfect.
Well, it looks like
But-
it looks like a perfect one compared to my parenting or
Yeah,
his parenting, right? Gue sih POC cuy. Ini jadwal parenting. Hello, good morning. Agak bisa cuy gue. Anak gue ngelawan. Okay, itu that's something else I wanna talk with her.
Yeah.
So everything is just about the real Mama Jen daily.
Yeah.
Okay.
So a lot is just about daily life, how I stay motivated to be active,
Yeah.
to parent in a more calm and patient way.
Right.
I think that's just inspiring for the people,
Yeah.
and that's why I have such a sweet follower crowd.
Wow.
Like, yeah, I'm so grateful
know.
and blessed, especially after
Yeah.
seeing Workout with Jen. I didn't expect this many people to actually
Wow.
want to come and see me on stage and work out
Right.
together.
I mean, if you're talking about Bali, that's your
Yeah.
hometown.
Yes.
That's where you
Yes.
belong. Tapi kalau misalnya we're speaking about Jakarta, you know, something bigger.
Yeah.
Ada nggak perasaan kayak, by the way ini aku campur-campur, not because I cannot fully speak English, tapi karena aku tahu pasti temen, dan aku males translation. Pada
Yeah.
capek dan pada nggak bisa. Jadi kita bagi-bagi
Iya.
supaya teman-teman yang lain yang mungkin tidak terlalu lancar fluent Englishnya bisa mengerti juga.
makasih.
Was it there's you know, a tiny little bit worry in your heart when you had that idea that you want to make workout with Jen in Jakarta?
I told my team, so we started in Bali, which is 20 people, and then the biggest one was 50 people. And then I said, I need to bring this workout with Jen all over Indonesia.
Wow.
And the first city gotta be Jakarta, because I know followers are a lot from Jakarta
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
So my team said, are you sure? And how many people? And I said, it have to be more than 50. So mungkin 200, I said first. And then my
Okay.
team was like, what? How? Where? And then I said, di GBK. I want to do it in GBK.
Wow. Wait, kenapa langsung dream big GBK? Because there's any other places misalnya
Iya.
epicentrum yang lebih kecil.
Yeah. Tapi I think the first impression, I wanted to be as big as possible, and I wanted to have as many followers to be able to join.
Woo, keren, dream big
So,
girl.
yeah, dream big, right?
Yeah, I know.
So at the end, I said, okay, let's do 300, because I saw already so many people wanted to join when I wrote it
Wow.
in my broadcast channel.
Wow.
So I said, we gotta do 300 because 200 nggak cukup. So yeah.
And it really happened.
It really happened. And
Wow.
when I opened the link to sign up, in 1.5 hours, it was full. The website crashed because so many people wanted to join.
Wow.
So yes, terima kasih.
Man, praise the Lord.
Praise
My
the Lord,
goodness.
yes.
Jennifer. I hate this.
No.
No. But Jen, apa yang membuat pertama-tama kamu itu kepikiran, gini, kamu brandmu sudah banyak. Ya banyak brand yang kerja sama Jennifer Bahdim. Secara finance, rumah baru. And it's beautiful house, by the way.
Thank you, makasih.
And then what else? Why is it? Why in your heart that it? What the things that trigger you that you want to make this event work out with Jen? Karena kan satu ternyata I found out at that time di Bali dan sampai di Jakarta kemarin baru akhirnya last minute. Dude, ini perempuan bayar sendiri, kagak ada sponsornya, jadi dia sendirian semua. Baru last minute kata timnya sign up tuh ada brand si lotion ya. Kenapa kamu mau buat si workout with Jen with your own money?
I think aku selalu mau bikin acara yang healthy.
Okay.
We can do olahraga bersama, because I think it's something so important to be healthy and happy first.
All right.
It doesn't, if you're rich, it's good. It maybe calms you down, but
Yeah.
if you're not healthy and you're rich,
Yeah.
it will not.
It's nothing.
It's nothing.
Exactly.
So your health and working out, like you're
Yeah.
you're 40 plus, 43,
44. Yeah.
and now you see it's very important to be healthy, to
Yeah.
work out, right?
Exactly.
To take care of our body first, and that's what I want to share with my community, with my audience, and I want to have a free event.
Free events.
Free event for them.
Why not paying? So at least you can get something. Ini kita if we're talking about business ya. Kan
Yeah.
kalau free dari followers happy pasti, tapi kan you won't get anything.
I know. I think it was just I wanted to have something for free so everybody could join, not only if you have money or not.
Right.
So everyone could join from my followers. That was very important for me. So I wanted to just try and see how it goes.
Okay.
Just coming from my heart, and
yeah.
I really had. I prayed over it, and I think God told me just do it. You can do it.
Wow.
And then at the end, blessings came, and I didn't have to pay from my own pocket.
Wow, one thing lead to another.
Yes.
Ini juga kayaknya Tuhan bisikin gue deh, ajakin Jen lagi deh gitu. Pas ngebahas mengenai workout with Jen yang ternyata adalah it's her baby. Aku
It is.
pikir honestly bahwa itu tuh workout with Jen karena kan kamu sering kesini Ionation,
Iya,
Adidas
iya.
lah apalah. Alo iya gak sih lu?
Kenapa?
Alo iya gak?
Alo enggak.
Alo enggak?
Aku
beda
BA,
it's
BA,
BA-nya. Jadi aku pikir that's another program that you join. Tapi
Yeah.
ini ternyata bener-bener
Aku
this is your
sendiri,
baby. Yeah.
my baby.
Okay,
Next time ikut ya.
Next time, yes. I gave you my word. Next time me and Fit40 will support Jen.
Yes.
Ya. Apa yang menjadi, I know that your followers tuh quite loyal to you ya. Tapi apa namanya bikin event sebesar itu in GBK, there must be obstacles and challenges, right?
Yeah.
Tantangan. What was the biggest challenge and obstacle along
I
the way?
think the biggest challenge was getting the place at GBK.
Really?
Iya.
Susah ya?
Susah, enggak.
Even
It's not
dibilang
that
ini acara
easy.
Jennifer Bahdim nggak ngaruh.
No.
Mau Jennifer Lopez ya nggak ngaruh. Harus ada proseduralnya mbak. Oh gitu.
It's not that easy. Terus ini pertama kali aku bikin acara
Yeah, yeah.
sebesar, in Jakarta. So I had to find the logistics, like the stage. I had like a glow up booth. There were other booths of healthy catering. There was, the sun protection. So I wanted to have a lot of things for my followers and to
Yeah,
get
yeah.
everything in one place and coordinate everything. Enggak,
Okay,
not easy.
let's break it down. Biasanya kan Mama Jen datang, you come to the event, misalnya Ionation
Yeah.
let's say. You just
Semua
come,
already
set
done.
up. Oke, kamu bangun jam berapa a day before-nya atau mungkin on that day?
Aku berangkat hari Jumat
Dari Bali?
Dari Bali.
Okay.
Because I'm also very busy currently making the license as a personal trainer, fitness instructor.
Oh, ada aja gebrakannya perempuan ini.
So I'm studying
Iya.
dari pagi jam 9 sampai sore jam 4.
Belajar lagi tuh Jen?
Belajar lagi.
Sama siapa?
Sama di Bali di gym.
Supaya jadi personal trainer?
Yeah, personal trainer and have my license for being a fitness instructor. Karena aku mau work out with Jen all over Indonesia, right? So I want to have it on paper
Wow.
that I'm a certified,
Okay.
instructor.
So you belajar dulu itu.
Aku belajar dulu, so aku sibuk banget. I had exams and then aku berangkat Jumat, acaranya Sabtu. So Jumat aku sampai and then we had to check the location, we did rehearsal, tapi hujan.
Oh my God.
So we couldn't, so a lot of obstacles, but we made it work. Aku
Yeah.
bayar pawang hujan for the due day.
Udah ngerti pawang hujan.
He saved me. Nggak hujan.
Udah, you udah percaya pawang hujan kan?
Yeah.
Karena it was raining ya.
It was raining, so it was hard. So our
Okay.
rehearsal was late. Aku bangun jam 4 pagi on due day, hari Sabtu.
Wow.
Yeah,
Well, were you anxious a little bit?
I was actually really nervous.
Wow.
Like never before because ya acara aku
Iya dong, iya.
beda banget.
Because you want to give the best for
I
your
want to
followers.
give the best. I want to do my best. I wanted to everything be perfect. But of course, it's my first event.
yeah.
Nothing was perfect.
Exactly. Tapi by the way ya, kamu tuh kan memang nggak tahu. Nah ini ada namanya social branding, personal branding. Ada yang namanya memang your true character when
Yeah.
you're around the people that ya like your family kan.
Yeah.
Ya I'm not gonna be Melanie Ricardo when I'm around my kids and my husband. Ya I'm just gonna be Melanie gitu.
Yeah.
Tapi from what we see kan Jennifer Buddy, Mama Jen itu a very cheerful person, very healthy and very positive. Jarang sekali ngelihat Jen itu tiba-tiba lagi ngomel apalagi memaki anaknya gitu ya di story gitu. When was the last time you got so angry? I'm saying about some like really angry. When was the last time it happened?
Really angry.
Yeah.
See, I don't remember. Really angry.
Duh, jadi kayak bawang putih bawang merah nih gua. Masa? Ya gini deh, gak usah sama anak-anak deh. Sama
Sama
Irfan.
Irfan?
Udah gak bisa ingat?
Udah nggak bisa.
My
ingat.
God. Coba tanya, Kamel kapan? Coba, Kamel kapan?
Kapan,
gitu.
kapan?
Kapan terakhir bareng sama Tyson? Ingat hari Minggu sebelum gereja.
Kenapa?
Ya ada aja keributannya, gebrakan-gebrakannya. Yang bener Jen. Sorry, ini gak gimmick, gak pencitraan kan?
No, I don't really like to get angry. It's not. I think it's not in my nature.
Yeah, I think it's not in your gene as
No,
well.
no.
Wow.
So I don't really remember.
Jadi kamu tuh kalau marah biasanya apa? Diem? Silent treatment?
No, I don't like silent treatment. I don't think
I
it's
hate
good.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I always because Irfan lebih fire.
Oh, okay.
So for us it's good because I'm more calm.
Balancing,
Yeah,
yeah,
he's
yeah.
more explosive. So it's good for him. I would say, let's calm down first. We will talk about it
Yeah,
because
yeah.
it's important. We need to talk about it.
Yeah.
But in a calm way. And if he starts screaming, I will say, okay, no, let's,
Yeah.
take a minute and we will talk later about it.
So you can't even
I will not scream back.
Okay, you cannot even remember if I'm asking you right now. When was the last time you and Irfan had a big fight? Like this is not
Big,
just
big
diam-diaman ya,
fight.
like argument, like loud.
I think it's a long time ago. I don't really remember.
Jadi hari-hari.
We argue,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
not like big fight.
But you Germany, right? Biasa Germany
Yeah.
itu karakternya kayak orang Batak kan, keras gitu.
Keras,
Kamu
but
kayak
I also
Jogja.
have my dad's side. He's very calm and patient.
Orang
My
apa?
mom, Indonesia,
Sukunya, culture,
Chinese Indonesian,
Javanese.
Java ya.
Oh, orang Jawa cuy, lembut dia. Semarang. Ya udah, gue kan gak di Semarang ya Allah. Tetap aja gue. Oh gitu, Jen. Kalau sama anak-anak, oke. Apakah parenting kan selalu bilang, bahkan ada yang bilang parenting ala Jennifer Badim, parenting ala Mama Nikita Willy,
Iya.
ya kan gitu. Memang you always being that sweet and soft with your kids.
I do. I don't get loud at the kids, but they will know if something is not good. They will know. So, the intonation from me, they will know. Okay. Oh yeah. Now I have to listen to Mama.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
I will
yeah.
not scream. And if Kiro and Kyoji, they have tantrums a lot.
Really?
Yes. So I always stay calm and be patient and give them a hug instead of screaming at them because at the end I think if I scream, they will scream even harder.
Okay,
And
yeah.
then we bounce each other's
Yeah.
bad energy from each other. But if there's bad energy and I have good one,
Ya.
I'll just reflect that.
Wow. There you go, Manas. Ya. Kalau anak
I
lagi-
know,
Not always
it's
easy.
It's not easy.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
no. And sometimes I'm like, oh, okay, just be calm.
Pernah ada masa when you like like really couldn't handle the situation, like probably mungkin nggak screaming ya, tapi like you go somewhere and then like you crying karena anakmu kan dempet-dempet tuh kecil-kecilnya.
Yeah, I can cry. I'm very emotional. I can easy cry. Also, if I would fight with Irfan, I will be the one crying.
Oh, Jadi kamu tuh bukan yang marahnya tapi lebih yang nangis
Yeah,
ya.
yeah.
Oh, kebalikan gua.
But it's okay. It's just how I am.
Oke, jadi banyak nih yang mau di-breakdown mumpung ada Mama Jen ya. And then Jen, what happened? Apa yang terjadi pada saat kamu tuh dulu, aku ingat banget kita ketemu, and then aku juga tanya hal yang sama. Ngapain aja Jen? Kamu bilang pagi I think you said to me like you waking up
Yeah,
most of the time
olahraga.
6 o'clock in the
Yeah,
morning or less than
yeah.
that. Terus udah gitu aku tanya, kamu masih nyetrika baju sendiri? Yes, and everything. So sampai sekarang masih nggak punya Mbak? ART nggak punya?
I have a helper to
yeah.
clean
Okay.
for a few hours in the morning.
Tapi nggak stay with you guys?
Enggak, aku enggak suka.
Nggak nyaman ya?
I don't like if people are around.
Okay.
Also for my team, I have an office. You know, shooting done, they will edit in the office. I don't like if banyak
sharing.
orang around me.
Iya, nih
Aku
tim
enggak,
aku selalu
I-
datang terus ke apartemen aku.
I'm very private. I like my family to be just my family without banyak orang.
Iya. Karena ya pengennya privacy is privacy gitu ya. And then berarti sekarang hari-hari yang kamu kan dulu setrika,
Masih setrika,
angkat.
dishwashing, and doing the bed.
Okay,
Like masih.
is all of those things only part of the content or you still doing it?
No, it's actually really me. I think because I've been raised in Germany, born in
Yeah,
Germany.
yeah.
So it's very normal for me to iron, to do the laundry, and I want to share with my kids that it's important because my kids, they are very privileged.
Yeah.
Honestly, they are very, very privileged. They go to international school.
Yeah.
All their kids are very rich and
Yeah.
wealthy. So I want my kids to stay grounded, humble.
Right.
They should know once they leave our house and they study abroad,
Yeah.
there's no maid, there's no driver,
There
there's
you
no
go.
cook.
Yeah.
So I think the basic skill of living is so important to pass on from me to my
Yeah.
kids. And if
Okay.
I have a maid who is 24/7 with
Yeah,
us, doing
yeah.
everything for them, they will not learn.
Exactly.
They will not. They will be babies forever. And I want like Kiro, I want him to be a baby forever for me, but
Yeah,
I
but
want
that's
them
not the
to be
case. Yeah.
independent.
Yeah.
So my boys, Kyoji is 4, Kiro is 2. They already help with doing the dishes,
Yeah,
the
I saw the
laundry.
videos.
I think it's important to
Yeah.
just, they still have fun. They don't think I have to do it.
It's not really.
No.
It is a chore, but
It's a
yeah,
chore,
they still can
but
enjoy
yeah.
it. Yeah.
And I always say we should do it as a team. Also with
Right.
my big kids, 13 and 11, Kiyomi and Kenji. It's just important to do it together because otherwise, I tell them otherwise Mama will do everything by
Yeah.
herself. So you can help me, and they are happy to help.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what we see is really what happened.
It's actually what happened. Yes.
Kayaknya podcastnya udahan dulu ya guys. Semakin merasa terpojok nih guys. Nah sampai ada momen-momen kalian apa sih lagi blackout ya di Bali.
Oh my goodness,
Terus
yeah.
yang kamu posting yang panas, it was hot, you bilang.
Panas banget.
Tapi nggak tahu.
6 jam.
6 jam mati lampu tiba-tiba di Bali. But I don't know, like in our POV perspective as
Yeah.
your followers, even in a very hard times like that, you guys still can like compact and enjoying it together as a family.
Yeah, I think it's important. No matter what get thrown at you,
Yeah.
still staying calm and make the best out of it.
Right. Yeah.
So I said to the kids, it's okay because anak-anak a little bit takut because
Yeah.
it's dark.
Yeah.
So I made candles everywhere. And then I said, it's okay, we sleep together di bawah karena di atas panas
Panas banget,
banget.
yeah.
So we made like camping
Yeah, yeah,
downstairs
yeah. Still
in the
fun.
living room.
Yeah.
So it was still fun and the kids were sleeping down. So we made the best out of it. Panas banget, but it's okay. We still were together and yeah.
And it became memory at the
Yeah,
end of the
became
day.
memory at the end. Yeah,
Okay.
they will remember, but
Wow.
in a good way,
In
right?
a good way.
Yeah.
Jen, apa jadi yang terjadi pada saat dulu kamu cerita sama aku, kamu bikin konten sendiri, you said that you only have one person helping you at that time,
Yeah.
which your assistant, you doing the editing by yourself, dia ngedit sendiri bro, dia nge-shoot, dia ngedit sendiri, kayaknya sih si asistennya cuma nge-shoot bantuin sedikit deh.
Yeah.
And then now I was asking her before, how many people in your team right now? You said 6, right?
Yeah, no,
Udah 6 orang. At that time udah belum
But
ada brand.
remember, at that time, I really don't like to have a team actually,
Why?
because my branding is very personal. So if I love editing by myself. I love recording by myself because I know exactly what I like.
What you want. Yeah.
So for me, it was actually really hard to make this big step to have a team
Right.
of so many people
Yeah.
because I'm a perfectionist. I want to have it perfect and
Okay.
my way.
Yeah.
I don't want it to be staged. So it's hard with a team, right?
Yeah,
Because they
yeah.
don't know me as good as
Yeah,
I know
yeah,
myself.
yeah.
So at the end, work just was too much,
Yeah.
and I still want to be there for my kids because my family is my first priority.
As always. Yeah.
Always.
Yeah.
So I want to be there for my family. So I had to, it's rather I stop working
Yeah.
or I take a
Like-
team.
Okay. Yeah.
So I started to hire a videographer, editor.
So now videographer,
editor,
assistant,
yeah,
editor,
manager, content,
What?
content
creator,
creative
creative.
team, and then manager for talents. So I opened
Apa
up.
tuh manager for talent?
I
You
opened up
buka
my,
lagi buat
my management.
Oh my god. Ada aja gebrakan ibu ya. Oh sekarang bikin
Management, yes.
Management,
Bakti
luar
management.
biasa.
Mau join?
Boleh juga bu. Kenapa bikin manajemen talent? Ini menarik loh. Kenapa?
I think, a lot of brands are reaching out to me. And I only work with brands I love and I use. And I thought, yeah, sayang banget. All the brands come to me, but I cannot work with them.
Kenapa nggak
So-
bisa work with them?
Just because maybe it doesn't, I'm already brand ambassador,
iya,
so I
iya,
can't
iya.
work with these
Wah
brands.
kayaknya bisa nih kita kerja sama. Buat Fit40 bisa nih. Oke.
So I thought,
Yeah, yeah,
okay,
that's
maybe
good
if I have
idea.
a management, I have more people in
Yeah,
my
yeah.
management, so I can give the brand I cannot work with to my talents.
Nih Jerman emang pinter nih. Betul,
So,
good
yeah.
idea. And still you can get
I can get
agency fee a
yeah,
little bit,
little
but
bit.
also
Yeah, and help.
Yeah,
Help
yeah.
the little influencers, which I really think they have potential,
Yeah.
doing a good job. I
Okay.
can pitch them to brands
Right.
and they can grow. We can grow together.
Very good.
Yeah.
Sampai Jen bilang banyak brand yang datang and I cannot work with all of them.
No, I
Right?
cannot. Yes.
Ya bagus banget karena profesionalitas. Kalau lo udah ikut sama brand ambassador for this product and then this happens to be apple to apple with other product, for sure you can't take
No.
both. Apa momen sampai akhirnya proses dari sorry ya Jen. Dulu kan orang taunya Jennifer Bahdim, you're
The wife.
the wife of Irfan Bahdim. Until you can get your own personal branding,
Yeah.
right? What have you been doing along the way, right? Until all the brand finally wanna come to you and you attract many brands. Apa rahasianya? Mungkin karena konten kreator sekarang banyak sekali. Yang kecil
Yeah.
sampai yang besar.
Yeah.
Apa rahasianya?
I don't know. I was actually thinking of that just the other day, and I spoke with about it with
Yeah.
Irfan. That I'm so grateful and blessed that brands are still coming to me
Yeah.
and want to work with me because
Yeah.
I started social media. I think 8 years ago, maybe
How many years?
8.
8 years ago.
I
Yeah.
think around 8
Yeah.
years ago, and already so many years I don't have to ask brands to work with me. The brands just come to me
Yeah.
and I get work every month. I get work,
Wow.
which is so nice. And I think again it's personal branding, which
Yeah.
just the package I think attracts the brands.
Yeah.
And the followers to stay with me, which is so nice.
Okay.
And again, like being
the
loyal.
package
Yeah.
is attract attracting the brand and also the loyal followers.
Yes.
Aku translate
Yeah,
dalam bahasa
yeah,
Indonesia. Apa yang bikin Jennifer Badim sampai akhirnya bisa menarik begitu banyak brand datang mau kerja sama Jennifer Badim? Sure adalah personal branding yang dibangun setiap harinya guys. It's very important buat teman-teman. Jadi jangan capek-capek, lo nggak bisa expect bahwa 1-2 kali konten and then you can attract
Enggak.
brand. Ya, it takes consistency.
Consistency is important in life, everywhere.
Yeah,
Work,
yeah.
with your husband.
Exactly.
It's everywhere with the kids. To be consistent
Right.
is the key. I think it's very important.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think I've been so consistent since 8 years.
Yeah.
It's not just since yesterday
Yeah.
and now I'm successful.
Yeah.
Of course, you see that viral, quick influencers who lucky hits, but
Yeah.
then they have to stay up there.
Right.
It's not easy.
Yeah.
So for me, it was consistently went, from down I went up and just being myself.
Oke, health influencer juga sekarang kan banyak Jen, bener gak? Ada ada banyak lah gitu. Dan the competition is always there,
Yeah.
right? Gimana caranya to always improving your skills, what you can give to the brands, karena kan pilihannya banyak nih.
Yeah, I think it's important for me. Like, I like to always advance myself, always get better, always a better version of
Like how?
yourself.
Okay,
like,
tell me.
Like,
Lu kan udah okay, tapi you still saying but I have to always, improving myself.
yeah,
in what way?
I like always to have another challenge, another goal. So every year I have like a mood board, a vision board to set new goals.
Yeah.
Things I haven't done yet or I haven't reached yet. There's so many things. Like now I want to study to have my license as a PT or a fitness instructor, bring workout with Jen all over
Yeah.
Indonesia. Like there's every year something which sparks again and I'm like, I want to do this and I want to do this. So
Wow.
at the end I'm just praying and I hope, God is approving above and let me do what is my passion and what I want to
Right.
share with my audience.
Okay, so every year you always have something
Yes.
to achieve. Setiap
Yeah.
tahun tuh Jen selalu bikin kayak mood board gitu guys, a vision board, not mood board, a vision board. Jadi
Yeah.
mimpi-mimpinya dia semua ditaruh tuh di satu kayak papan, and then
And it's not only work.
Yeah.
It's work.
Everything, yeah.
It's family. It's
Yeah.
olahraga. It's the whole package.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
I want to improve not only in work but also marriage,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
parenting, like
Everything.
all aspects. I want to be a better version of myself.
Very
because you can always learn. You're never perfect. You
Exactly.
can always learn. Yeah. So
Yeah.
that's important for me.
in marriage. Kalau work pekerjaan kan for sure ya, we can see it already the result. Marriage sekarang kalau dulu kan orang melihatnya Jen adalah istrinya Irfan Bahdim. But now mungkin banyak yang nggak tahu Irfan Bahdim, taunya justru Jennifer Bahdim gitu. How does it all these things is it affecting to the marriage?
Remember back then when we had the podcast,
Yeah.
Irfan baru retire.
Exactly.
Stopped, remember?
Yes. I heard what you said. Yeah,
Yes.
and I remember that.
So I was the one, financially
The breadwinner.
supporting.
Yeah.
It's not easy if you are the husband who always earned money.
Right.
And then there is, you gotta sit
Yeah.
still and it's
It's a dignity.
Switch.
Yeah, switch. Yeah.
But I think Irfan he's a good man, a good husband, a good
Yeah.
father. And of course it's not easy because he has a big ego. He's
Yeah.
a football player.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
he has a big ego and it wasn't easy. We had fights, we talked
Yeah.
about it.
Yeah.
And I think it's communication, which is very important. And
Yeah.
we learned a lot. We're married for more than 10 years, 14 years, and we have 4 kids. And we had hard times, especially in Japan. We lived
Yeah,
3 years
yeah.
in Japan, and it wasn't good.
Yeah.
And so yeah, what we learned, I think, is communication is so important. Speaking, from your heart and telling each other what you feel.
Yeah.
And sometimes he felt like it's not nice to follow always what you do. Like you will always tell me what what to do.
Yeah.
And he wasn't used to that because he was the one telling me,
Yeah, yeah.
okay, now we go
We
and
move to
live.
Japan,
Yeah,
we
move
move
to
to-
Japan, move to Thailand. Now we go there, and I have to play football there.
Oh, dignity as a
But
man.
yeah.
Maybe it's not only about finance.
No, it's not only about
Yeah, yeah,
finance,
yeah.
but also the ego. Like,
Right,
yes,
right, yeah.
it wasn't easy. But I think he's working now. He gets
Yeah.
his jobs too, which is nice. And
Dia
he's
masih main bola.
enggak main bola
Sekarang
sekarang.
kalau boleh tahu Irfan into fitness olahraga juga? Atau?
Yeah, Irfan suka high rocks. So
Okay.
he went to do the single high rocks race, and he broke the Indonesian record.
Wow.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So,
Congrats,
yeah.
Irfan. so one sport, another sport.
Yes, he's a sportsman and
Yeah,
he needs
yeah,
the
yeah.
competition. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
he's always padel. Like
Yeah, yeah.
he's busy having his sports still padel. He still plays
Yeah.
football as amateur,
Yeah,
just
yeah.
for fun more.
For fun, yeah.
But I think he's still dreaming of playing for, Bali United.
Wow,
He is a football player and he
It's always in
cannot
his
let
blood.
it go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oke, so sekarang kalau ngelihat kayak kemarin Irfan supporting
Yeah.
Jen, biasanya kan it's the other way around. Jen came,
Yeah,
you
to
know,
all
to
the
soccer field,
games.
to all the games, supporting husband, and now that's life. I mean, like
Yeah.
when you're married, you understand stuff like that.
Yes.
Tetapi kan netizen kadang-kadang, they can be very mean with stuff like that. Mama Jen, kenapa nggak kebalikan sekarang atau stuff like that. Ada nggak
Yeah.
komentar-komentar yang nggak enak juga, yang sometimes mungkin nggak sengaja kebaca sama Jen?
Actually, like I said, my followers are really, really nice.
Wow.
I don't have hate comments.
Right.
I don't get bad comments. It's a really very true and supportive community what I have, and I'm really grateful for that.
Yeah.
So no, I don't really have bad comments. Irfan could get from the football fans, like you played bad or you didn't score or something like that, or
But
why
your
do you
followers
lose?
is different.
No, so it's different. And so yesterday at the
Yeah.
workout with Jen, Irfan had to take care of all 4 kids.
Wow.
And now
It's a
he's
teamwork.
flying back with the kids. So he's seeing what I do on a daily basis.
Wow.
So it kind of opens up, his eyes too, that it's not that easy to be
Yeah.
24/7 with your kids.
Yeah. Wow. But how can what apa yang kamu lakuin? What was the things that you can tell him to make him still comfortable? Karena kalau dia tadinya nggak bekerja mungkin beda ya. Kan tadinya dia he's the leader of the family. Sekarang
Yeah.
dia harus taking care kids sedikit supaya kamu bisa punya waktu untuk kerja. Was there any tips mungkin untuk the viewers that watching this?
Yeah. I think I always want to know what feelings he has. So when he told me, I don't really like that you are like the boss, And I
right.
said, I'm not the boss. It's not about you or me
Yeah.
being the boss. It's
Yeah.
just I have to work and you are free at the moment.
Yeah.
And this is just now for this time. And I told him as well, like all these years we are married, it was always your schedule. I will
Yeah.
always follow you.
Yeah.
So now we switch.
Yeah.
And then he was like, yeah, actually it's true. You always followed me wherever I went.
Right.
I was always there. So now he can do the same thing back, right? Because it shouldn't be like the man is,
Yeah.
I do whatever
Yeah,
and
yeah.
the woman just have to follow.
Yeah. Should be equal.
Yeah, should be equal.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
He's okay about that?
Yeah, he's okay about that.
That's good.
And I think just communicating and being honest to each other, sharing your feelings helps a lot.
Right. Komunikasi.
Yeah,
Walaupun terdengarnya
komunikasi.
basi, tapi at the end of the day memang as we get longer in marriage, makin lama menikah, ya akhirnya memang ngobrol ya.
Yeah. How about you? Who is the breadwinner?
Me.
Yeah,
I'm
see?
the breadwinner. Yeah.
For many years,
Yeah,
right?
for many years. Yeah, that's why I'm asking to Jen, like, because we're thankful that we have husband that can deal and accept that and not being insecure about that,
Yes,
you know?
yes, agree.
Karena banyak juga laki-laki yang pada akhirnya karena perempuannya as a breadwinner, lakinya jadi insecure and then they many cases it's different, tapi banyak juga akhirnya mereka jadi selingkuh, mencari keluar because they wanna feel like they're still
the man.
the man,
Yeah.
right? Gitu.
Yeah.
Ya pada akhirnya memang komunikasi antara istri dan suami. And I believe at the end of the day, the rezeki, the blessing can come through husband or through wife.
Yeah.
It's still it's a family blessing,
for sure,
right?
for sure.
Yeah. What's the recipe to get a long marriage and still lovey-dovey like you and Irfan? Is sex still good?
So good. Censored.
That's important.
Important.
That is important, right?
We try to have date nights every week.
Oh yeah, I
Yes.
saw a couple of times you
Yeah.
guys doing date night.
Yes.
Jadi dijadwalkan date nightnya.
Every week we go for date night. Kemarin we went for date night because he's now back in Bali. So I think it's very important to take time for just the two of you because everything starts from husband and wife.
Yes.
If husband and wife are not good,
the
the kids will see, it will affect the kids, it will affect the whole family.
Yeah.
So we always take time for ourselves. We try to bring the kids to bed at 8. So at least,
Is it
you know,
always
past
happening
8.
that way?
Most of
Most
the
of the
time,
time.
actually.
Because
Because, yeah.
yeah. Discipline ya, Jen.
Discipline,
Okay,
yes.
Yeah.
So at least after 8, we have our time for ourselves. We can talk or watch a movie or go for dinner. Like,
Right.
it's important.
Jadi harus tetap ada date night suami dan
Iya.
istri ya. Itu penting banget.
For sure.
Oke, apalagi yang pengen, what else that you wanna achieve selain tadi si workout with Jen? Hopefully next town, next city would be?
I asked yesterday where should I bring workout with Jen next, and there was a lot of cities. It was Bandung, Jogja, Surabaya, Malang, like I don't know, a lot.
Still secret?
Still secret.
Tapi hopefully akan all over Indonesia.
Yes.
Oke, sedikit lagi Jen. Jennifer tuh salah satu yang one thing that we can always can sense it from you is your positive vibe. You're always being positive. Walaupun we know as a human you can't be always positive.
Cannot,
It's about balance. Tapi do you have any insecurities?
I think I do. I do. Everyone has. I think.
Apa yang bikin kamu insecure? No, looking at you like gorgeous.
I think my mom, she always complained about her belly. She always said, "Oh, my belly is so big. I'm gonna start diet on Monday."
Right.
So I think I heard a lot of that saying from my mother. So
Yeah.
every time if I look in the mirror, the first thing I see is my belly. And I wouldn't like my belly necessarily. Of course, I gave birth to 4 kids and I don't have stretch marks because I've been working out and eating healthy. But still, like, I'm always like, it could be better. I need a bit more
Really?
core training.
Wow. See, even Jennifer, Mama Jen got insecurity. Padahal perutnya udah oke banget. Knowing she delivered 4 babies ya. Okay.
Yeah.
Nah,
So I gotta be, I gotta be kind to myself, right?
Sure.
I'm always saying, no, you're good. You had 4 kids.
Right.
You train hard.
Exactly.
It's you're good. You're good.
yeah. Any plan to try probably
A baby
like
again?
No.
No. Oh, okay.
Baby.
Enggak.
Enggak kan?
Enggak.
Kan?
Enggak.
Gue yang kaget. Hah? Baby lagi Jen? Surgery probably? Korea? Kan banyak nih sekarang selebriti they go to, nggak ada yang salah ya. It's a personal choice.
I think I thought about it.
You thought about it?
Because I've been breastfeeding, for 4 babies.
Kita bisa barengan nih bro.
And I mean, it's not,
Yeah.
it's a little bit hanging.
Hanging around together forever.
Yep. And
Empat
sport
anak.
cannot help.
Yeah,
I can do chest press, but it's
Still.
still.
Yeah.
So I don't know, maybe.
You consider about it.
Kamu
I
mau.
consider about it.
Oke, berdua.
Mungkin bisa trip berdua, Mama Jen, Mama Mel. Okay, alright. Okay, is there any regret that if you looking back yang you wish that you didn't do it?
Good question. I think there are things I would say now I should never have done. But I think if I wouldn't have done that mistake, I wouldn't be the person
Exactly.
I'm now today.
Yeah.
So I learned from my failures. I learned what I did wrong, and I'm the person now, and I will make more mistakes
Yeah.
in the future for sure because
Right.
I'm not perfect. But I will learn from my mistakes, from my failures, and I will get better, not making the mistakes.
Right.
So I think for sure I regret, but I wouldn't change my
Okay.
mistakes, my failures I did.
Because it shaped the way you are
Yes.
today.
Yes.
Apa yang pengen Jen sampaikan dan pesenin untuk para konten kreator dan mungkin ibu-ibu juga yang punya mimpi atau mungkin ngerasa I'm just another mommy staying
Yeah.
at home, Look at her, look at Jen. Jen starts everything from her house. Bener gak sih Jen?
Benar.
Dari rumah
I started
sendiri loh.
in Japan and I was actually really not happy. I wasn't happy. And I started to create this business. And look where I am today. Like, I think if you put your mind and your heart to it, you pray about it, and it's your passion.
Yeah.
I think you can do it no matter what. You don't need a lot of money. Of course, Irfan had money, but I didn't earn money, and
Yeah.
I'm a very independent woman, so
Yeah.
I didn't ask Irfan for money. So I started slowly. I reached out to brands back then and
You reached out to brands?
I reached out to brands and asking, maybe endorsement only, no money.
Wow. So you start the ball, yeah? You started the ball.
I started
Okay.
just to reach out, and I think as a content creator or a stay-home mom, and you really have the passion to create content and share your parenting or your workout, just start.
Yeah.
Start doing it. Be passionate about it and be consistent. I think the key for me
Yeah.
was I was so consistent.
Consistent.
And there's no break. As content creator, actually,
Yeah.
there is no break. It's a job 24/7 almost.
Exactly.
If I go on
Exactly.
holiday, I'm still posting, I'm still working. Yeah.
Preach it, girl.
So you
That's
need
right.
to know content creator is not as easy as everyone thinks.
Oh,
It's
no
work.
way.
It's hard work.
It's hard work.
Yes, and to keep it up for many years, it's not easy.
It's a damn hard one.
Yes.
Tapi stop dengerin banyak orang. Ntar orang mau ngomongin gue gini.
yeah.
Ntar gue dilihat view-nya jelek begini. Stop
No,
thinking about what people
exactly.
think and say about you. And start. If you feel it in your
Yeah.
heart,
Do
just
it.
do it.
Yeah,
Just do it.
do it.
Just like what Nike said. Dua pertanyaan terakhir untuk menutup. Hampir lupa. Yang pertama, kamu pernah ngerasa burn out nggak as a content creator? Knowing that you said bahwa content creator is continuously, even in a holiday, you're still
Yeah.
working.
I never really had a burnout, I would say, but of course there were days I was like, what should I do now? What content should I share now?
Idenya biasanya dapat dari mana? Cari idenya gimana?
I think ideas dari Instagram, of course, or TikTok,
Ya, cari-cari ya.
jari-jari, but then also just daily life, what
Yeah.
comes up, because I
Yeah.
share a lot of daily life.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think burnout, not really, but a content block,
Yeah.
not knowing what to do next, for sure.
And
for
that's
sure.
very normal.
Very normal.
Because we're not
Very
ChatGPT.
normal. Yeah. No, we're not ChatGPT.
We're just mamas.
Just mamas
Breastfeeding
hustling every
for,
day.
breastfeeding to.
Yes.
Terakhir, kan Jen banyak sekali kamu kontenin rumah, konten di kamar, konten ini. How can you make boundaries between your privacy and your things that you wanna share to the public? Gimana caranya Jen untuk bisa bikin batas antara ini privasi sampai di sini aja dan ini gue bisa share nih di Instagram atau social mediaku.
Yeah, I think I learned the past, 2 years to not overshare.
Yeah.
I think the years before I recorded a lot and I showed a lot and it's nice if I meet my followers, they know everything. They know so much about me. They know
Yeah.
what I love to eat. They know everything about
Yeah.
my kids. It's a lot.
Yeah.
And I open up my doors like openly for everyone.
right.
But I realized that the last 2 years, also for my big kids who maybe don't want to be all the time on my social media, and I
Yes.
have to respect that.
Yeah.
That we need privacy. I cannot share everything with the whole world.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm working from morning to afternoon, and then it's done. after 8, I try not to touch my phone. It's done, and I don't bring it up in my bedroom. Also, Irfan and me, we just leave our phones down. We go up. There's no phone or TV
Yeah.
in the evening upstairs in the bedroom. I think you need that time without phone because we are so often on the phone.
Yeah. So di kamar nggak ada handphone?
Enggak.
Sorry, di kamar nggak ada TV?
Nggak ada TV.
Nggak ada TV?
And no handphone.
Handphone juga nggak dimasukin? Wow, jadi ngapain?
Intimacy, right? We need.
Jen, Mama Jen, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's always positive, always a joy talking with her. Dan I'm praying for your baby.
Amin, amin.
Work out with Jen. Next time di kota manapun, guys, please support ya, karena it comes from woman empowering another woman,
Yes,
right?
I
Yeah.
love that.
And I think we have share the same vision adalah kita pengen bahwa ibu-ibu, mama-mama, emak-emak kayak kita, kayak kalian tetap bisa cantik, tetap bisa sehat.
Exactly.
Ya kan?
And we are also just, we're just like all the other moms.
Yes.
We're not, there's nothing super special about us. We're just like you guys, working hard
Exactly.
for our families
Yeah.
to make, to have that happy,
Yeah.
healthy life for our families.
Yeah, there's no super mom.
No, there's no super mom.
There's just mom. That's
There's
trying
just moms.
to their best
Oh,
every
yes.
day.
And all moms do. Not just
Exactly.
you and me,
Yes,
right? We all
everybody.
do.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank
I'm sure
you.
there's a good value that you guys can get from. Mudah-mudahan ngerti ya obrolan aku
Iya,
bersama dengan
aduh, maaf banget.
Mama Jen. Bye guys.
Bye.
God bless you.
Mwah.